We will be uninstalling this application. So just close the application and open the terminal. You could use the shortcut key Control plus Alt plus T for opening the terminal, and we'll be using these three commands. So just copy them and paste them one by one over the terminal and enter. You could also use the shortcut key for pasting Control plus Shift plus V. Press Y and then enter. Wait until all the packages get uninstalled. It's uninstalled, so just let's check it. Press the Windows key and search for the VirtualBox. No search results found regarding VirtualBox. So that's it.